Hey everybody, it's the Boss Lady here, coming to you with my breakfast station for the week. Nothing too fancy this week, just cereal, oatmeal, some fruit. I have some apples and oranges up there, as well as a little mug station for either hot cocoa or making the eggs in the mug for breakfast. So let me get a little closer so you can see everything up close. So as you can see, I have my Christmas countdown, 26 days until Christmas as of right now. That's my easel that I did. I bought the easel from the Target One Spot, and then I got some of the decorations from the Target One Spot, as well as Dollar General and Dollar Tree, and I just made my own little countdown. I have a cute little tablecloth that I have covering my deep freezer with the snowman on it, and then I have matching napkins. In the back you'll see two different baskets, and I just wrapped some red ribbon on there and then glued a gold snowflake on there, and that's going to house our fruit for this week. I have some cereal, Frosted Flakes, and then some oatmeal up there. Sorry, it keeps blurring. And then at the bottom here I have some snowmen, and those are salt and pepper shakers. I got those at the Goodwill. My Frosty stand, or snowman stand, I got that at Salvation Army. That was by the pound. Can't remember how much I paid, but I know it was next to nothing. Then I have this cute little mug station here, and this is for Miss Peanut when she wants some hot cocoa, as well as, like I said, making the eggs in the mug. So I have just some marshmallows in a little baggie so they don't get stale, sitting in the bowl. And then I have our straws from Target One Spot. So this is our breakfast station for the week. Nothing fancy this week. We didn't really want to, have too much. I'll be doing a big grocery haul the end of the week, and then I will be changing the breakfast station accordingly. So just want you guys to see how I changed it up for the Christmas holiday. And once I do my tour, you'll be able to see the rest of the kitchen. Hope you guys have a great day. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.